Left the hand of oppression with the mind state of ambition. Bleeding blood of an African, we fought the hand of oppression.
See, I was born in Cincinnati, but my daddy had a mission. He sent me to Zimbabwe, said you need to learn tradition. I'm like, hey, man, that's okay with me, cause if he never would have done it, man, then I would know.
Let's skip to present day. My whip is foreign, my chick the same. I'm head to toe, Raoul for Lawrence, such a stylish man. But still I feel like I just make him feel some type of way. They be like, what's that? And I reply, that's that Zimbabwe way. The teamwork in the building, no need for introduction. Tomate every day, that's the motto, no discussion. I get Heineken, I crush him, tell bartender get another round. Poppy behind the bar, he knows what's going down. Hanti waskana vari pano vakawanda ende futi hanti vese vada kuona chikwata here. So I give them something that they won't forget. They say cartel is what they want, that's what they gonna get.
The blood that's in my veins, that's up in my veins. The skin that's on my bones, that's up on my bones. The breath that I breathe out, breath that I breathe out. Let you know what I'm about, what I'm all about. Born up in Zimbabwe, yeah, raised up in Zimbabwe, yeah. I forever rep Zimbabwe, cause I was born up in Zimbabwe, made up in Zimbabwe, yeah.
Hadare, I've been running this, Mufana Bakari. Got me a hottie and now we think about blowing the money. Versace from Italy, but I be rocking it in Zimbabwe. Musala, they call me, but I'm getting money, Mufana. Mudara, Jimbo Mira, because Godo Hantina. Haters be hating, but it really doesn't matter to me. Haters be talking, but I don't hear nothing they say to me. Born in Zimbabwe, they call me Jaku, I'm a hustler, homie. Happy wherever the money be, so broke people don't know me. November showed on me, so I'm feeling fresher than all of you bums. This beat be knocking, I swear, so now I got all of you numb.
The blood that's in my veins, that's up in my veins. The skin that's on my bones, that's up on my bones. The breath that I breathe out, breath that I breathe out. Let you know what I'm about, what I'm all about. Born up in Zimbabwe, yeah, raised up in Zimbabwe, yeah. I forever rep Zimbabwe, cause I was born up in Zimbabwe, made up in Zimbabwe, yeah. Bumpy dirt, roll back off a white truck. While the president street got a fresh low. And I was birthed from my mother in the motherland, where hustle for your dollar was the only code. Cousin face lit up like he been bleaching when I brought my old coat. But just a week ago, when I said I was coming, he said, "Are you a good joke?" Yeah, it's been that long. I mean real long. I'm in the line to get your visa long. Yeah, I've been too gone for too long. But Viber and WhatsApp keep me closer, homies. I'm from the land where if you bring a clean dollar, everyone know you a foreigner. I'm from the land where if you got a pink pinky, everyone know you a voter. And everybody treat my career like a cheap balloon. They all know that I'm about to blow. And I'm that one type of role model. I don't drink, I don't smoke, I chase God and get them dollars.